guys? How was your sleep? You really think our sleep was good? You snore. Do not. Do too. Oh, sorry. Right, going to have cereal. I'm hungry. Alright, okay. So, how was your day so far? It hasn't even started yet, but good so far. Yeah, me too.